All right, kids. So, overall, so far, I've got about half of you getting the review in, and the grades are about a high B average, just if this was a grade. So, not too bad. You can do better. A lot of careless mistakes as I'm going through there. I'm trying to fix the ones, anything that's got like spacing wrong, that's counted wrong. I'm trying to catch those. If you think you got something wrong because of spacing, let me know. I'll take a look at it. But there are a couple of problems that are being missed a lot, and it has to do with some of these absolute value problems. And we talked about absolute value like the first day, maybe. So you can go back and review that lesson. You can go back and find it on Classroom. It's on there. But I'm going to run through a couple of them that have been missed a lot. And just these three real quick. So absolute value. Remember, absolute value is the distance from zero. Okay, so if I have this, the absolute value of 2.3 would be positive 2.3. But then we have this negative out front, so that makes it the opposite of the absolute values. So this is 2.3, this is negative 2.3, this is obviously negative 2.3. So these two, when you compare them, is equal. Don't argue with me and tell me that absolute value always changes it positive, okay? The negative sign's out front of the absolute value here. So this is positive 2.3. This is the opposite of that, negative 2.3. Number two, absolute values are a grouping symbol. Do the inside stuff first. So here, 3 minus 1 is 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. 1 minus 3 is negative 2, but the absolute value of negative 2 is 2, so these two are also equivalent. All right, and number 3, again, absolute values in parentheses deal with things differently. Absolute value, you got to do all this stuff in here first. It's just a negative 5, so the absolute value of negative 5 is positive 5. The opposite of that is negative 5. This, since it's parentheses, you can distribute into a parentheses. Negative times negative is positive 5. So this would be a less than symbol. All right? Be careful with your absolute values. Other than that, most people did pretty well. But those three were frequently missed. Shoot me an email if you got any questions. If you think you missed something because of spacing, let me know. I'll take a look at it. I can go in and change them. And I'm sending you review 2. Take a look at some old videos if you have questions on anything before you hit review 2, and then do this one. Hopefully we'll see some better grades. All right.